Today I want to introduce to you guys a smartwatch called Kospet Magic P10. It's a brand new smartwatch by a company called Kospet, and it seems to be a very popular watch among fitness enthusiasts, especially runners. Now, I'm not exactly a runner, but fun fact, I'm a bodybuilder who actually competes on stage. This is what I do in my spare time. I do bodybuilding, so I am very heavy into fitness. And before that, I did a lot of strongman competitions. Basically, fitness is all my life. I have a gym in my garage, so I'm always working out and I'm always in need of a smartwatch. Now, when this company called Kospet reached out to me about their smartwatch, since I'm a fan of smartwatches in general, I said yes to it. And I wanted to test it out. I wanted to see what makes this different, and maybe this could be my new watch. Well, what I gotta say is I'm very impressed by a few things, and I'm disappointed by a couple of things. I'm gonna start with what this watch is all about. It's a smartwatch, just like you will have pretty much every other smartwatch. First of all, the design looks somewhat like an Apple. It looks very similar to an Apple watch as far as the design. Even the UI has some of the Apple esque UI, most especially this step right here. It looks just like an Apple. This ring right here, just like an Apple. The shape itself, it looks just like an Apple smartwatch. However, it is not an Apple smartwatch. It's much different. Now, the benefit of the fact of it running on their system is the fact that it gets an incredible battery life, over a week's worth of battery life. Well, depending on how hard you're using it, it depends on how much you work out and what kind of features you're using it, but you should be getting somewhere between 7+ days of use on average. Here's the home screen of the smartwatch. You have your typical information page. So you have your steps, you have your weather, you have your current heart rate, you have the date, you have the date time, obviously, and here you have your notification panel, just like a Android watch. It's very similar to a typical Android watch. So where you have, your app screen, this is my Samsung. You can see that I have all these notification panels from the swipe up and down, right? Now the same thing with this right here. You can swipe, you can add more panels to it. You have a bunch of different options that you can add. You have flashlights, you have raise to wake, you have automatic. I mean, there's just the features, the option, just it's endless. You even have water repellent mode, which is the first time I saw it was on my Samsung watch. So I'm glad to see that it's here. You have your battery life, which shows you your battery remaining. Easton has a built-in speaker, so you can actually take calls and make calls from this device right here, as long as it's paired to your phone. So to look at more of the tiles here, you have your your steps and things like that. You have your music control, once again your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your stress level. So that's your page. Here you can see your notifications. So I have notification on Instagram, text message, and so on. You can also clear it from pressing the button right there, or you can delete each one independently, and then you can swipe for widgets. You can see your steps, you can see your current heart rate, your resting heart rate. You can see your sleep. It has sleep tracking. It has sleep tracking, where you can actually see your sleep stages, and it gives you light sleep, deep sleep, and all that stuff. It's actually pretty good. It's very detailed, and I like the way they show theirs. You have your weather map, which shows you your weather. You have your music control, and once again, it has a built-in speaker, which can allow you to play music off your phone directly on this. You can even add more widgets. So you can add heart rate, sleep, daily activity, weather, music. Just it goes on. Like, there's just so much you can add on to this. It just connects via Bluetooth and doesn't have none of that nonsense that some people may not want. Some people just want a strictly fitness watch that is good with heart rate. They can reply. They can make phone calls. and they can do certain things like check the weather, check the stress level, the heart rate, track the sleep, and all that stuff. It is great for all of that, but without a doubt, my favorite thing is the battery life. Now, another thing that I do really like about this is the fact that this thing is actually useful. See, this dial right here is just like an Apple Watch as well. It is quite useful. You can use it to scroll. Now, if you actually go to the menu, you can also use it to scroll here, kind of just like an Apple, you know what I'm saying? And you go back, and it also has another button right here, which is also used to go back. So if you're in any home screen or anything other than your home screen, you can use it to go back. If you are in your menu, your apps gallery, you can also go back. Another thing this thing has is it has a find phone feature. So as long as the phone is connected to the watch via Bluetooth, you can use it to find your phone. So that is pretty sweet. It has basically everything you would need for fitness and a little bit of the smart. When I say a little bit of the smart, I'm talking about, things like weather, compass, uh, breathing, word clock, notifications, flashlight. There is just so much it has. I really, really think that if you don't care about having like a Google Assistant, a camera preview, or just some of those redundant things on the regular smartwatch that nowadays that makes them more expensive and sap the battery life, I believe this is the watch to go with. They have different shapes as well. So if you don't like the shape, they have a circular one that you can also get. So yeah, if you don't like these straps, well, guess what? There are other straps that you can use. You can buy some straps on Amazon, or you can go on Kospet's website and also buy some accessories. Now let's get into things that I don't like about this smartwatch. The first thing is this auto tracking fitness. So it has the ability to track a plethora of fitness such as walking, swimming, running automatically. The problem I have is it doesn't accurately track the timing. For example, if I've been walking for about 10 minutes or so, when it starts tracking, it will show that I've been walking since the time it started to track. So which means that, for example, if I've been walking about 10 minutes prior, it's not going to read that. And I have other smartwatches that can accurately track how long I've been doing a certain movement and automatically stop it. But for some reason, this watch doesn't have the ability to accurately track when I start an activity, or does it automatically stop the workout once I'm done. For example, I find myself sitting around after an activity, and then maybe minutes later or an hour later, I will look at the watch and it will show that I'm still doing an activity. Meanwhile, I'm actually sitting down. But once again, I have other smartwatches that can actually track and stop that. So I wish this smartwatch would do the same. Maybe it is something that they can come out with in an update. The next thing I don't like or I wish for is the ability to reply to text on the watch or reply to posts on Instagram or things like that. I have other smartwatches where I can actually do this quite easily, but with this watch, I can't seem to do that. Even though it has a quick reply section on the smartphone, on the watch itself, there is no ability to reply to text, compose, or just use voice, anything like that. So this makes me pick up my phone a lot more than some of the other watches that I've tried. But once again, overall, it's a pretty nice smartwatch. You can easily connect it to their app, which is this right here. You can see my workouts. You can read, your workouts. It will show you your logs and everything each day. And if you go to your home screen, you can connect to the watch. And then from here, you can literally change a whole lot of settings. You can change your notifications. You can change, you can go to the watch store and kind of get like watch faces. You can download a bunch of different watch faces. You can customize the ones that you already have. You can create yours. But yeah, overall, a very decent smartwatch.